Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be doing some quick and easy Dollar Tree DIY. Starting with my first project, I will be using some of these Dollar Tree wood planks and I'm going to just make a large sign, and to do that I will be using some popsicle sticks to glue them in the back using hot glue. I will be painting this using the Waverly Antique Wax. To decorate my sign, I will be using these little containers. 3 come in this pack. Now I'm going to leave them this color and just add some jute twine around them to decorate them a little more. I was going to put 3 of them, but I felt like they were too close to each other, so I only ended up using 2. But honestly, you can add all 3 containers to this. Since the greenery I'm using is not going to be heavy, I'm going to glue the containers using hot glue. But if you do want to add something heavy to this, I do recommend you using a heavier glue. After this, I will be adding some of the Dollar Tree greenery, and that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out, and it was so quick and easy to do. For my next project, I will be using this Decor stake that I got from the Dollar Tree. Now, I'm going to remove the stake part, and then I'm going to add Home Sweet Home in the front. Dollar Tree does carry poster stickers that you can use, or even rub-on transfers or any other stickers, and you can use this to add something to this. Now, like I said, I will be using my Cricut to cut the word Home Sweet Home, add it in the front. And to decorate this a little more, I will be adding some greenery. The last thing I will be doing is adding a bow, and that is it. Look how this Home Sweet Home turned out. The last thing I will be doing is adding a bow, and that is it for this beautiful Home Sweet Home sign. For my next project, I will be using this Dollar Tree sign, and I use my Cricut to cut out the word family. Now I am using the Dollar Tree vinyl, which I honestly like it, but you do have to set the settings on washi tape instead of regular vinyl. Now I'm going to put it more towards one side because I'm going to add some greenery on the other side. For my next making a jute twine bow, then adding it to the pick, and that is it. Look how beautiful this family sign turned out. For my next project, I will be using these wood planks that I got from the Dollar Tree. They do have the rectangle and the square ones. On my first project, I used the rectangle ones. For this, I will be using the square ones. Now I'm going to put them together just like this, adding some popsicle sticks on the back. To paint this, I will be using the Waverly Antique Wax. And look how beautiful this looks. Now you can make this vertical or horizontal. Here I'm going to show you one option, which I ended up not using this option. Instead, I used my Cricut to cut out the word home. For the O, I will be making a wreath and adding it there. And that is it for this beautiful home sign. again, that is it for today. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.